All right, so you started your business, you have products, you have product ideas, you want to start making money. That's why you signed up for business. Remember, this isn't a hobby, this isn't a nonprofit. If you're running a business, you are here to make money, and that's great, and that's going to come. And if you're looking to get rich quick, this video is not for you. But if you are looking to build a brand, build a business that's going to stand the test of time, that's going to be for the long haul, I need you to listen super closely, very carefully, because this is the one thing. This is probably the biggest mistake that new business owners and entrepreneurs make whenever they're starting their brand and they are launching it out into the world. And this is why my coaching program and my framework is totally different from everyone else's out there. And so what I want to teach you today is going to go against your flesh. It's going to maybe go against what you've seen other people do. So bear with me and just trust the process. Okay, are you with me? The biggest mistake that I see business owners make is that they ask for money before they have given generously. I'm sure you might be seeing so many different new types of marketing and businesses that are popping up, and it's all money minded, money focused. They're not giving you value. They're just like, let's make money, make money, make money. I want to caution you a little bit. If it sounds too good to be true, it might not work. But consistency in providing value generously over time is what's going to lead to sales. So the biggest mistake that new entrepreneurs make is that they want to ask for money, sell something before they give anything else. What does that even mean practically? It means that you need to share value and give generously over time to build your audience of people who like you, who know you, who trust you. And so when you're ready to sell your program, your retreat, your products, they will not think twice but to purchase. You build audiences by giving generously. People are attracted to generosity. We've seen it all throughout history. People are drawn to those who give. People are repelled to those who take. So if your goal is to build a business or a ministry or a brand or social media account that's going to stand the test of time, what you need to do is focus on giving value through what you know, what you've learned, and giving it freely, generously for a period of time. What I am doing right now is I am taking a couple of months to pour into my audience, to find new people who want this content. I'm doing 3 things to not only give generously, but simultaneously grow an audience of loyal customers, of people who are going to be interested in the thing that I'm about to launch, so that when I launch the thing, I will have a good return. I will have people who want the thing and join my community, right? So if you are like, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna step into my calling, I'm gonna build this business, I'm gonna build this ministry, I need you to kind of put the reins on asking people for money, on selling something. It's gonna come, I promise. People want to invest in what you have, but for a period of time, I want you to focus on growing an audience and giving generously. I want you to focus on attracting the right people and repelling everybody else that wasn't meant for you, because you were not created to serve the world. That was Jesus's job. You were created to serve a very specific people group. And the people group that you were called to serve, you have a burn on your heart to help them. This shouldn't be a problem. You should have an urgency to help them. So this should come easily to you. And if it doesn't, then you might need to go back to some other videos to get more clarity on what God's calling you to do. If you know your people group and you know that you can help them, I want you to focus on helping them freely for the next couple of months. What I did was I created a Facebook group inviting people who wanted to have Christian business coaching inside the Facebook group. This is going to pull people from your Facebook page, your friends, your family, your church members, your work people who are interested in what you're doing, pull them out of your personal account into a private group. So you'll know, hey, Sarah Sue is interested in Christian business coaching. I would have never known that. Now I can I can funnel her into this Facebook group. I can show up live once a week. I can share free tips. I can share what I know to continue to serve her freely. So that's one way you can do it, is start a Facebook group. The second way you can do it is by offering a free download. People love learning through ebooks, through guides, through workbooks. So if you can brainstorm something that can help your people group move from point A to point B, it doesn't have to be extensive, offer them your first product. This is going to be the first transaction between you and your people. Before people give you money, they're going to give you their email address. It is rare that people will give you their money before something else. So the first transaction that you will have with your people is a freebie, a download, and their email. So we're building a Facebook group. We're funneling all of our, regular audience, whoever follows us, into this little group so that we can love and serve them and give freely. We're also offering a freebie, which is going to help, number one, grow our audience on our email list, which is a whole nother video for a whole nother day, but they're able to download it, have it on their desktop. You are continuously growing their trust in you. You are showing them your value and how you specifically can help them. And the third way that I do this, by showing up and giving freely, giving generously, is teaching and sharing on Instagram. Reels are the thing to reach people outside of your own little bubble. Instagram created Reels to extend your reach. So use it. It's free marketing. So if you are a business coach or you feel called into business, share business tips through Reels. If you're a ministry leader, share Devos through your Reels. You have 1 minute to provide free value for your audience. Use it. Not only will you be able to gain more trust for your audience, but you will also be able to grow your audience outside of who you currently serve. You need to generously love and serve and give freely before you ask for money. This is going to be the thing that builds the foundation of your business or ministry. The money will come, the selling will come, but you first need a loyal audience to sell to. So if you want more help on starting this business, growing this ministry, doing the thing that you're called to do, I want you to download the Ultimate Beginner's Guide to Online Business, y'all. This is the framework that I lead my high-level mastermind students through, that I'm giving to you for free. All you have to do is click the link below, grab it, and it'll be sent to you immediately. You can do this. You can grow a brand and a business and a ministry for the long haul if you take a little bit of time to serve your audience generously. Now I want to hear back from you. How are you loving and serving your audience? How are you growing your audience? What strategies are you using? Do you have a freebie? If you do, post the link below. I would love to check it out. I would love to see it. And if you're on Instagram, you can follow me at Brittany C. Bruce. Check me in the DMs. I love talking with you. I love chatting with you. I love hearing your stories and your testimonies and the things that you're building. So find me on Instagram, comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.